needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the rock wheel. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Match the keys to the lock by size. Super! Great job, Backhoe! Pick up all the junk with wires. Keep going. Wonderful! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Excellent! Magnificent! Put a patch on it. Excellent! That's it! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. You're so smart! Wonderful! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. The track is broken. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. That's great! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Yay! It worked! All done! Now help to assemble rock wheel. All done! You can upgrade the vehicle. Go to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go! Keep going. Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Congratulations! Great job! You got